Hello friends, this is Amit from channel Grow Together. Today I'm going to go over how to buy stock using Wealthsimple trading account. So once you are logged into the account, on the left hand side it'll show you that which account you are in. So for an example, it shows me that I'm in personal account. If I click on view accounts, if I have multiple accounts, it'll show me that what type of accounts I have, and I can switch in between those accounts. So for an example, if I want to buy Ryokan, I'll click on top right hand search icon. Over here I can type the name of the company, the stock I want to buy. So it'll show me the symbol for the stock and the name as well. So if I know just the name, I can type the name in. If I just know about the symbol, I can type that in. On the right hand side it shows which stock exchange it's listed on. Either it's on New York Stock Exchange or on Toronto Stock Exchange. So I want to buy REI.UN, which is for Ryokan Real Estate Investment Trust. So I'll click on that. Over here it shows the name of the stock and then the price of the stock. So it's 14.58. So if I want to buy the stock on this price or whatever price it is right now, so I can click buy. Over here I'm selecting what account I want to buy this stock in. So I'll press next. Over here on the top it says market buy. So I'm just buying on the price whatever it's listed on the market. So here I can mention how many shares I want to buy. So I'll put 1 here. So it has calculated already that 14.58 will be the rate to buy this stock. Once I click continue, it's showing message that I'm recording as I'm recording the video after hours, so market is not open. I can still say continue, and tomorrow once the market is open, if it'll execute the order for 14.58 for 1 share, and there is no commission on that. Over here I can click confirm and it'll send the order in. If I want to mention the price, let's say I don't want to buy the stock on 14.58, I want to buy it for 14.50. So over here, as we had selected market buy, I can click on that. I can put limit buy. Over here I can put the price that the stock I want to buy for. So I want to buy this for 14.50. Once I click on next, it'll ask me how many shares I want to buy at that price. So I'll put 1 right now for an example. So here it says 14.50. I want to buy 1 share. Once I click continue, it's same message that I'm recording the video after hours. So it's giving me that market is not open. So I'll click continue. And then here it shows that I want to buy 1 share for 14.50. This order will remain open for 90 days or the order is fulfilled. Other condition is that if the order is cancelled by me. So until that time, this order will remain open for 14.50. I want to buy this share for. So this is how you buy the shares on Wealthsimple Trade. If you have liked the video, please click thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment below.